the new president, and all the people of Kenya. And this country is my country, the country of my heart. I have a big part of my life here.
Yes.
And to be back after so many years, try to understand me.
Yes.
It's something in my heart, yes.
Yes.
Hey, what's up, Uganda? This is Fali Ipupa. I'm coming. I will be performing in Arua on the 29th September, in Kampala, October 1st. I'm coming. Uganda, Fali Ipupa, Anglais.
Like me, you invite me, you're supposed to prepare your money to pay me, you know. And the venue is not my problem. You're gonna never stay and wait for the venue, the people pay, and you collect the money to come to pay the artists.
Thank you for your shisha you pay for me. Yes.
Yeah, no, you do can fetch a one about shisha.
The shisha is nice.
It's not nice, it's
Shisha,
not good.
Shisha is no cigar, it's no the cigarette. Satanic.
Anglais comme on m'a dit, comme on a London, on a donc please speak English, speak now, see.
Because two fanatics are not speak English, I speak little. I'm saying, to finish to play music here, two people fanatic come from two stage.
Please, two fanatics come to dance.
Today,
yeah.
To finish play music, two fanatics come
to discotheque.
Yes.
To discotheque to play.
To discotheque to play music to dance. Two
Yes,
people.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
today.
Ouais. Dans orchestre anglais kaka, goya ku tuté.
Cindy, right?
Cindy,
Speak
like,
English, please. Sorry? French.
Too much rumba and little touch. We got African music, baby, and the tempo, yeah. All metronome, Makosa is here. Dombolo the vibe. I'm a piano the fire name. Rumbe bele.
My people, don't doubt it and don't let a friend to tell you what happened. You have to be a part of the story. I already got my visas, don't worry about that. America is not Europe. I already got my long time visa. So get ready for this too. It's gonna be history. Get your tickets online and make sure you go check all the information